Ah, the hot dog. Whether it's at a ballpark, a backyard barbecue, or a bustling city street, this iconic American snack has captured hearts and taste buds for generations. But how much do you really know about the humble hot dog? Today, we're diving into its fascinating history, surprising facts, and quirky traditions. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the origins. The hot dog's story starts far from America. It's rooted in Germany, where sausages like the Frankfurter and Wiener were popular street foods. Immigrants brought these to the US in the 19th century, where the sausage evolved into the hot dog we know today. The term, hot dog, is believed to have originated from the cartoonist Tad Dorgan, who drew a dachshund sausage in a bun but wasn't sure how to spell dachshund. The hot dog became synonymous with American culture thanks to the rise of street vendors and ballpark concessions. In 1871, Charles Feltman is credited with opening the first hot dog stand at Coney Island. He sold over 3,600 sausages in a bun in his first year. A few decades later, Nathan Handwerker, Feltman's former employee, started Nathan's Famous, which remains a hot dog legend to this day. Did you know there's a world-famous hot dog eating contest held every 4th of July at Nathan's in Coney Island? Competitive eaters from around the world compete to devour as many hot dogs as possible in 10 minutes, the record? One of the coolest things about hot dogs is how they vary across the US. An astonishing 76 hot dogs set by Joey Chestnut in 2021. In Chicago, they go all out with the Chicago-style hot dog, loaded with mustard, onions, pickles, and sport peppers, no ketchup allowed. In New York, it's all about simplicity, mustard and sauerkraut. And in the South, slaw dogs, topped with coleslaw, are a favorite. Regional styles give the hot dog its endless versatility. Hot dogs have even inspired heated debates, literally. For example, is a hot dog a sandwich? The question has sparked endless arguments among foodies, chefs, and even lawmakers. Officially, the National Hot Dog and Sausage Council says no, it's in a category of its own. Here's an interesting fact. Why do hot dogs come in packs of 10? But buns come in packs of 8, it's a marketing quirk that's frustrated buyers for decades. But recently, some brands have started selling matching packs to solve this culinary conundrum. Did you know hot dogs have even gone to space? Astronauts have enjoyed hot dogs aboard NASA missions as part of their meals. Talk about a snack that's out of this world. While hot dogs are delicious, they've faced their share of scrutiny for being processed foods. However, recent trends in healthier eating have led to the rise of plant-based and organic hot dog options. Whether you prefer classic beef, turkey, or vegan, there's a hot dog for everyone. Hot dogs aren't just an American phenomenon. They've been reimagined around the globe. In Colombia, they go wild with pineapple, mayonnaise, and crushed potato chips. And in Iceland, the iconic lamb hot dog with a mix of mustard, remoulade, and crispy onions is a national favorite. If you're a superfan, did you know there's a National Hot Dog and Sausage Museum in Chicago? Or that July is officially National Hot Dog Month in the US? Celebrations include festivals, contests, and even special deals at restaurants nationwide. Did you know that the phrase, "as American as hot dogs" is often used to symbolize patriotism? Hot dogs are a staple at July 4th celebrations, baseball games, and state fairs, making them an enduring symbol of American culture. Yet, their immigrant roots remind us that America itself is a melting pot of flavors and traditions. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. The longest hot dog ever made measured over 218 feet. Created in Tokyo, Japan, in 2017, it was served in a bun that had to be specially baked to match its length. It took a team of chefs and bakers to pull off this world record feat. Hot dogs and baseball are inseparable, but how did this tradition start? It's believed that Harry Stevens, a concessionaire at New York's Polo Grounds, began selling hot dogs during games in the early 1900s. Fans loved the convenient snack, and it quickly became a ballpark favorite. Did you know there's a hot dog preparation style called the Ripper? Found in New Jersey, these hot dogs are deep-fried until the casing splits or rips, creating a crispy, golden exterior. It's a must-try if you're ever in the area. Hot dogs aren't just a snack. They're a pop culture icon. From the famous "I'll have what she's having" scene in When Harry Met Sally at Katz's Delicatessen to animated hot dogs and sausage party, they've been immortalized on screen. They even made headlines when President Franklin D. Roosevelt served them to King George VI during a 1939 visit. In Denmark, they're served with remoulade, crispy onions, and pickles. In Mexico, the Sonoran hot dog is wrapped in bacon and topped with beans, salsa, and jalapenos. It's fascinating how each country adds its own twist to this simple snack. Hot dogs have even made their mark on economics. In the US, the price of hot dogs often reflects broader economic trends, particularly during summer grilling season. Some economists even call it a grill index, tracking consumer spending on summer staples like hot dogs and buns. So there you have it, the fascinating journey of the hot dog, from German sausages to an American icon enjoyed by millions. Whether you like it simple or loaded with crazy toppings, the hot dog's charm is in its adaptability and fun. What's your favorite way to enjoy a hot dog? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious adventures. See you next time.